So we're gonna stabilize around the metatarsals. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna approximate, okay, and then I'm gonna distract a little bit, and I'm pushing down. Now, it's hard not to see the osteokinematic because it's a little joint. But we don't wanna see a whole bunch of movement here, so you wanna get really as close as you can to the joint, stabilize, and then I kind of pull it apart a little bit, and I'm going to do a posterior roll. What does that help with? Mm-hmm. And what does anterior? Okay, hold on. Convex, concave. So I still have to do this. Convex, and I don't do this part that often. I do this more often. I mobilize this part. So we have convex on concave, convex. So it's opposite rule. So yeah, posterior roll, anterior glide. So this would help with extension. This would help with flexion. You okay?
Yeah, it
Tickles, yeah.
It's okay.
And you can actually do any of the joints. So we could do it here at the distal IP. It's just we have to really be careful because it's quite mobile. And we can, the same thing's gonna apply when we get to the hands. Okay, okay. I don't mean to tickle you. So what's gonna be on your test, your skills check next week is mostly the ankle, okay? The toes we may check, but let me just also state that you're probably going to learn a ton more joint mobilizations. What we're teaching you in here are really just the entry level joint mobs. So don't be surprised if you see maybe some other techniques, as long as you stick with the principle of stabilizing proximally and distal mobilization when you're doing open chain, your body mechanics, and you're fairly in an open pack position. Now I get the question that, oh, I've seen it where they're like moving them. That's movement with mobilization. That's something obviously you have to first learn how to do it statically to learn how to do movement mobilizations. Okay?
Question?
Yeah.
So